Welcome to Bike Hub, where we explore the stories behind the most iconic machines on wheels. In this feature, we turn our attention to an unexpected but powerful resurrection, the 2025 Ford Model T. Once known as the vehicle that brought driving to the masses, the Model T now returns in a dramatically modern form. Blending historical inspiration with contemporary electric innovation, the 2025 version is not a replica, but a reinvention, designed for a new generation of practical, eco-conscious drivers. Historical legacy, a car that changed the world. When the original Model T was introduced in 1908, it didn't just change transportation, it reshaped society. With over 15 million units sold by 1927, it became the first truly affordable automobile and marked the dawn of mass car ownership. Built for durability, ease of use, and economy, it was the foundation of Ford's identity and America's growing infrastructure. Over a century later, the spirit of simplicity and accessibility is being revived for the electric age. Exterior design, nostalgia meets minimalism. The 2025 Model T stays true to the visual essence of its predecessor but adopts a modern, refined exterior. The silhouette is upright and boxy, evoking the original's utilitarian shape, yet it's updated with aerodynamic refinements, LED lighting, and recycled composite body panels. The design is intentionally minimal, no unnecessary curves or decorative elements. This new Model T is styled to convey function, affordability, and purpose, with a quiet nod to its heritage. Electric powertrain, clean and capable. Gone is the gas engine that powered the original. The 2025 Model T runs entirely on electricity, featuring a compact single-motor, rear-wheel drive setup. With approximately 150 horsepower and a range of up to 250 miles, it offers enough performance for daily commuting while maintaining affordability. A focus on energy efficiency rather than speed keeps the car light and uncomplicated. Fast charging compatibility allows for an 80% charge in under 30 minutes, making it suitable for urban and suburban travel alike. Interior, function over fancy. Step inside the 2025 Model T and the philosophy of simplicity continues. The cabin is free of clutter, using recycled materials and basic modular components. There's a central touchscreen for essential controls, but physical buttons still remain for common functions. Seating is lightweight and flexible, and storage compartments are designed for everyday usability rather than luxury. The lack of premium materials is intentional. This car aims to serve, not to impress. Technology, essential and intelligent. Despite its minimalistic design, the new Model T includes the most necessary modern technologies. Safety features like lane keeping assist, collision detection, and automatic emergency braking come standard. Basic autopilot functionality is offered for highway driving. Wireless phone connectivity and a simple operating interface round out the experience. The software is kept light and responsive, allowing over-the-air updates without overwhelming the driver with unnecessary apps or subscriptions. Affordability, the heart of the mission. Perhaps the most striking aspect of the 2025 Model T is its price. Ford intends to launch it at under $20,000, aiming directly at budget-conscious consumers. Built using a streamlined assembly process and modular EV platform, this car reflects the original's promise: reliable, personal transportation for the everyday person. In an EV market crowded with luxury models and tech-heavy price tags, the Model T represents a practical alternative grounded in historical values. Conclusion: a vehicle with purpose. The 2025 Ford Model T is more than just a nameplate revival, it is a philosophical return to what cars were meant to be. In a time when the automotive world is obsessed with autonomy, speed, and digital excess, this car takes a bold step back. It reminds us that mobility should be attainable, efficient, and sustainable. It doesn't chase trends, it sets one by redefining what's truly essential in a vehicle. For drivers who want practicality without complication, the Model T may once again become the car that moves the world.